Your mind won't like what I'm about to tell you, but your brain needs to hear it. Because every night, millions of adults over 45 unknowingly eat a common vegetable that silently raises their risk of stroke. And most people think it's healthy. But as a brain doctor, I can tell you, the way you're eating this vegetable is dangerous, and fixing it could save your life. You see, stroke doesn't come with a warning sign. It happens in seconds. One clot, one blocked artery, one spike in blood pressure, and everything changes. And here's the shocking part. Something as simple as how you prepare potatoes can push your brain straight into the risk zone. Yes, potatoes, baked, fried, mashed, boiled, they're everywhere. But when eaten the wrong way, especially at night, they cause sudden blood sugar surges, inflammation, and a dramatic increase in blood pressure. And for people over 50, that combination is a silent storm inside the brain. Let me explain why. Potatoes have a very high glycemic load. When you eat them, especially white potatoes, especially fried, your blood sugar spikes fast. Your body releases a flood of insulin. And when this happens repeatedly, your arteries get stiff, thicker, and inflamed. That inflammation weakens the delicate vessels in your brain, the same vessels that protect you from stroke. By the time you're asleep, your blood pressure can rise without you even noticing. And if you already have high blood pressure or borderline diabetes, this is exactly the kind of late-night load your brain can't handle. But the danger doesn't come from potatoes alone. It comes from how modern diets combine potatoes with the worst partners. Deep-fried oils, salts, processed toppings, butter, cheese, sour cream. That creates the perfect recipe for arterial damage. And when this becomes a nightly habit, fries with dinner, potato chips before bed, baked potatoes loaded with fats, your brain pays the price. But there's even more. The real killer is acrylamide, a harmful chemical formed when potatoes are cooked at high heat, frying, roasting, baking, air frying. Acrylamide directly damages the lining of your blood vessels. It increases clot formation. It increases inflammation. And studies now show that long-term exposure significantly raises the risk of stroke and memory decline. If you're over 50, your brain becomes even more sensitive to this chemical. So what should you do? Do you need to quit potatoes forever? The answer is no, but you must eat them the right way. First, never eat potatoes at night, especially fried or roasted. Your metabolism is slower, your blood pressure changes, and your body isn't prepared to handle the glucose load. This is the time when strokes most commonly happen, early morning hours, when blood sugar and blood pressure are unstable. Second, stop eating fried potatoes, fries, chips, wedges, hash browns. These are the worst for your arteries because they combine starch, plus high heat, plus oxidized oils, plus salt. Each bite is like sending a small shockwave into your blood vessels. Third, if you must eat potatoes, choose boiled, lightly steamed or cooled potatoes. Cooling them turns part of the starch into resistant starch, which doesn't spike your blood sugar. This protects your arteries, improves gut health, and reduces inflammation. Fourth, pair potatoes with fiber and protein, leafy greens, beans, lentils, eggs, or fish. This slows digestion and prevents sudden spikes that strain the brain. Fifth, replace potatoes at dinner with brain-friendly options like sweet potatoes, cauliflower mash, quinoa, leafy greens, or zucchini. These stabilize blood pressure, remove inflammation, and keep your vessels strong. And here's something most people never hear. Dehydration combined with heavy starches like potatoes is one of the hidden causes of early morning strokes. Drink enough water in the day. Keep your blood flowing. Don't go to sleep with your vessels thick, sticky, and inflamed. If you're over 50 and you've been eating potatoes at night for years, especially fried, your brain may already be asking for help. Stroke risk can be lowered. Blood vessels can heal. Inflammation can decrease. But it starts with one decision. Stop giving your brain the late-night load it can't handle. Your brain needs clean blood flow, relaxed vessels, stable pressure, and balanced glucose. One vegetable, eaten the wrong way, can disturb all of that overnight. So tonight, do one thing. Give your brain the calm, clear night it deserves. No fried potatoes, no chips. No starch-heavy dinners. Protect your vessels now, so your mind stays sharp, steady, and strong for years to come. Because stroke isn't sudden. It's the final result of small daily habits. And today, you just learned one of the most important ones to change.